If you have a Xiaomi phone with Hyper OS 2, Android 15, and you want to be able to enable developer mode or developer options and you're not sure how to do this, then let's go ahead and do this together. So for starters, when you're ready to do this, go ahead and use a quick access and go into the main settings by tapping on this icon here. And once you're here in this section here, you're going to look for where it says My Device. So you'll see My Device here, tap on it one time. And once you're here now, you're going to go down and look for OS version. So for some phones, it may be right here. It's going to tell you it. And you're going to tap on that 7 times to get into developer options. If you don't see OS version here, you can go to where it says detailed info and specs. It'll most likely be there as well. So once here now, you're going to see the OS version and you're going to tap on it 7 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4. And notice how it's showing you here, 5, 6, and then 7. And it's going to tell you you are now a developer. Now, after this here, in some cases, you may be prompted to put in your password for your lock screen if you have a lock screen setup. And to find it now, just come out of here and just simply use the search settings here. So in the search settings, just type in the words developer and it's going to show you the suggestion. And once you see it, tap on it and it's going to show you this. Make sure this is turned on and then you can do what you got to do. And that's that. Like and sub.